Welcome back. My name is Palaj Vishwas, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and also today discuss the BREP. That means is the boundary representations under this subject of computer aided designs, and this is my lection number 18 of this subject. And boundary representation, that means your the B representations is here. The what is your the boundary representation is considered in the solid modeling and computer aided design. That means your the CAD. The boundary representations often abbreviated as BREP or the BREP is a, that means that this BREP is here. The is a method for representing shape using the limits is here. A solid is represented as collections of connected surface elements. The boundary between the solid and non-solid. You can see a car is here, and this will be designed for this your the car company. You can consider this will be used for your the B representation. That means your the boundary representations. You have to here the collection of this connecting surface elements. That means the different elements is connected during to your the this surface, and this boundary between is considered. That means your the solid and non-solid. That means the different tanker is given here, and that like your the oil tankers, and also the fire tubes will be given. That is the on defined for this will be the boundary between the solid and non-solid particles will be here, and this will be given to this your the different boundary will be considerations. That means the coursework, the example is here, that like your the generated using the B boundary representations, or this the BREP model is given here. Notice that the surfaces areas are the stitched together. That means your the surfaces area is considered according to the your the stitch here. You can see that means the on this wheels also will be connected, and also this is the different element is here, the stitched together. The overview of boundary representations. That means your the boundary representations of models are composed of two parts. That means your comes from your the topology, and the geometric. That means your the surface curves and points is come here. That means your the topology. The what is your the topology is comes. The main topological items are the faces, is, and vertex is considered. That means your the main topological items, and you can see here the face is a bounded portions. A face comes from is a bounded portions of the surfaces, and is a bounded pieces. That means your the is called your the bounded pieces of a curve, and a vertex lies at a point. That means you have to consider according to your the a points is comes. That means your the is will be given, that like your the boundary, and you can see here the previous figure. You can concentrate according to this picture. You can properly see that is the S of this the bounded pieces of a curve, and the vertex line at a point. This will be given, the portion is here, and the other elements are the cell. At the cell is set of connected face. That means your the set of connected face is given here. The loop, a circuit of is here, like your the boundaries, a face, and loop is like your the link, also known as the width is link, or half is link is here. That like your the width is link, or the half is, which are used to create the S circuits. That like your the S circuit is created. The A's are like the A's of a table. That likes your the like a table. The table you can see the four different A's will be available. That like your the top portions of your this table. Similarly, that this will be concentrated according to your the table. The bounding is surface portion. That like your the you have to given a boundings. That like your the surface portion is available when you have to movement of this, and also the overview is concentrated according to the bounding a surface portion. And compared to the constructive solid geometry, that means your the CSG is and representations which use only primitives object and boolean operations to combine them. Basically, the during to your the constructive solid geometry you can consider according to your the primitives, and also the combined to your this boolean operations also is here, and boundary representation is more flexible is here. That means your the boundary representation is more flexible and has a much richer operation set, that likes your the much richer operation, that is the set of here. In addition to the boolean operations, during to this the addition of boolean operations or the boundary representation has extrusions or the sweeping is fine, that like your the boolean operations is boundary representations. And chamfer is done during to this operations, and during to this chamfering you have to creating the surface also. And another things, the blending is considered like you have to the blend them, and the drafting, that like is the each and every conditions according to your the B representations of your the boolean operations we have to consider. The draftings will be done, and also the selling, that means you have to sell these objects, solid objects, and the tweaking and other operations which make use of this, that like your the tweak and the other operations, that means you have to consider there the make use of this the concentration here. The topology. The topology is described, that means you the previously considers the what is the topology here, that means the overviews comes during to your the boundary representations. First is considered according to your the topology. Topology in mathematics, the topology from the Greek words, that means your the place, location and study, that is here, is concerned with the properties of a geometric object that are preserved under continuous deformations, such as tracing, the twistings, the coupling and blendings, but not tearing or gluing is comes during to your the topology. That means the this is the considers according to this the continuous deformations will become here, that like the stressing, the you can be stress your not most portions will be here, and few cases you have to consider according to twist of your the object, and few cases you have to find here that like your the crumblings and bendings you can be done during to this your procedures, but not tearing or gluing will be considered according to your the topology. And another things is here, that means your the topological space is a set end with a structure, that means the you find your the structure called a topology, which allows the defining continuous deformations of subspace is find here, and more generally all kinds of continuity is find, means your the all kinds of continuity, the Euclidean space and more generally matrix space are examples of a topological space is considered as any distance or metric defines a topology is comes here. That means your the different type of metric space is the example of this your the topological space, and a few cases we find the any type of distances or another thing is come that like your the metric defines and during to your the topology. That you can see here that like your the deformations that are considered in topology are homeomorphisms and the homeomorphisms, and also the topis is here a property that is invariant under such deformations is find here, that like your the invariance, and it is a topological property, that is comes your during to your the topological properties is considered the Mobius strips which have only one surfaces and one edge are a kind of object studied in topology will be find here during to this picture, that like your the property, that is the invariance under such deformations is a topological properties. And another things is here, the basic examples of topological properties are, you can find that like your the basic examples of your the topological properties, the dimensions which allows the distinguishing, that means your the allows the distinguishing what is the difference between of this during to your the systems, between distinguishing between a line and a surface, and that like the this topological properties is considered according to the dimension, as like as you have to require for the differentiation between the lines and surfaces. And another things here, the compactness which allows the distinguishing between a line and a circle, lines and a circle connectedness is here, which allows a distinguishing a circle from two non-intersecting circle is considered. That like use here, the always you have to require for the allowed distinguishing between a line and a circle. Like the one line is the draw, similarly this when is a circle also will be draw, that this will be required for this the distinguishing between them. The contactness which allows distinguishing a circle from the two non-intersecting circle, that likes this will be required for difference between here. The ideas underlying topology to back to Gottlieb Frege and Leibniz, who in the 17th century envisioned the geometria citus and analysis citus is here. The Leonard Euler's 7 bridge of Königsberg problems and the polyhedron formula are arguably the field first theorem. The term topology was introduced by Johann Benedict Listing in the 19th century, and here, although it was not until the first decades of the 20th century that the idea of topological space was developed during the 20th century. You can find the study of boundary representation is comes. Like the basic method for boundary representation, that means the BREP was developed independently in the early 1970s by both Ian C. Bright in Cambridge for CAD and Bruce G. Baumgart at Stanford for computer vision is here. That like this will be comes in this the 1970s, and this is the in INC Bright in Cambridge for this the CAD and Bruce G. Baumgart at Stanford for the computer visions is fine, and the Bright continued his work with the research solid modular, that means use the BUILD at the build, which was the forerunners of many research and commercial solid modeling systems is find here. And the Bright worked on the commercial systems, that means the Bright works on the commercial systems, that means the Romulus, the forerunner of parasolids, and an ACIS is considered is here, and the parasolid and ACIS are the basis for many of today commercial CAD system is find here. That means the parasolids and ACIS are the basis for the many of today commercial CAD system is considered. And the following Bright's work for solids and the Swedish team led by the Professor Torsten the KG Berg, that this is the here, that is the Swedish team led by this the Professor Torsten Kezibox, and this will be developed the philosophy and methods, for working with hybrids models. Basically, we can know during period the hybrid models we have to design the any type of system. That means you have to the join to this the different solid phase, and also you have to given to your the boundary representation is the very easily, that likes you have worked your the hybrid procedures. Suppose your the different hybrid models can be generated, that like your the develop the philosophy and methods for your the working with the hybrid models, wireframes, and another things is here the sheet object and volumetrics model during this the early 1980s is comes, that like your the hybrid models as like as your the wireframes is considered. And another things you have to hear during your the sheet object, that like you have to draw your sheets, but you have to represent the one sheets, and again this will be goes for your the printing is here the during to your the representations of the boundary representations. And either you cannot be creating the different sheet, the when you have to draw in your the different object in your the CAD, then we can see first the sheet or the page setups also will be required. Similarly, the sheet also will be considered according to your the concentrates for your the printing, and also the set objects and the volumetrics models during the early 1980s is prepared. Another things in Finland's Martti Mentala produced a solid modeling system. You can consider according to your the solid modeling systems called the GWB. In the USA, Eastman and Wheeler were also working on boundary representations, and in Japan, Professor Fumihiko Kimura and his team at Tokyo University also produced their own B representations or boundary representations modeling systems is here. That likes your the Japanese professors, he or she also will be given his team at your the Tokyo University the produced your the own boundary representation modeling systems is given, the how you have to represent and how you have to functioning of your the boundary representations, and how you have to generate your the boundary representation. This will be introduced your the Tokyo University this professor, and also given your the produced here. And another things the initially the CSG, that means your the constructive solid geometry was used by several commercial systems because it was easier to implement. Basically, the initially you have to reduce initially this will be produced, that like your the constructive solid geometry, and this will be first introduced, and this constructive solid geometry is the very easier to implement, and also the when the those process is the easier for this the another process, then this will be very easily acceptance is here, that like your the industry for this this constructive solid geometry is used in the previously, that like your the initially is used. The advance of reliable commercial, that means the advance of reliable commercials boundary representation, that means the BRIF kernel systems like the parasolids, that means is the not will be solids will be considered is the like to this the parasolids will becomes, that means your the advance of the reliable commercial BRIF kernel systems will be here, and the ACIS is comes here, that is the mentions above, that means your the you have to previously or the initially is used, that means you are the CSG, and the similarly you have to mention above as well as open CASCADE, that means the cascade. Cascade is considered according to this the and C3D, that means is comes here the C3D that were later developed is here. It will be comes, that is the open cascade, and C3D that were later developed has led to widespread adoptions. This will be comes during toward the widespread adoptions, because we can see the by BREF or the boundary representation is the reliables. Also this will be the easier to this the kernel systems, and also that like your the parasolids will be consideration is here, and during to this the cascades and C3D that are the later develops but has led to widespread adoptions, because this will be the easier from this the another systems will be here of BREF for CAD, and this will be implemented for the CAD is here. The boundary representations is essentially a local representations, that means your the boundary representation is comes during to the to a local representations connecting faces, edges and vertex. This will be considered according to your the essentially local representations connecting faces, edges and vertex is considered, and extensions of this was to group sub elements of the shape into logical units called the geometric facets, or simply facets is come. Basically, when you have to consider according to your the geometric facets, suppose your we can draw the CAD, the any type of drawing in CAD. Suppose our first year students is goes to the CAD laboratory, that means our the engineering graphics is introduced different commands, and also the few page setups will be here under like your the CAD. Then similarly the extension of this was the group sub elements of the shape, and this is comes from the different faces, edge and vertex is here, and into the logical units called the geometric features is the considered on this. And the pioneer work was done by Caprano in Cambridge, also using the build systems, and continued and extended by Jared and other. That means you have to consider here the build systems, and another you will be considered, that means you have the continued and extended, that means is here Jared and other person will be introduced these systems. The features are the basis of many other developments is come here, that means the allowing the high level geometric reasonings, that means your the geometric reasoning is comes about to your the high level about shape for comparison, process plannings and manufacturing, etc. is comes here. The basically this will be about the shape for the comparison, also the process planning. What is your the process planning is considered? Suppose your the different productions will be done during to this the systems, but your required for your the any type of production, that means you have to passes through a planning is required, that means your the which process you have to use, and the which one will be benefited for your system, that means is considers your the process plannings. And another things is considered that like your the manufacturings, and when you have to allow and like your the developments, and also the your geometric region reasonings will be counts, that like your the manufacturings will be considered according to your the comparison, which will be excess manufactured, or this the lean manufacturing process will be considered or not. And another things, the boundary representations has also been extended to allow spatial, that means you the considers to this the spatial non-solid model types called non-manifold models, that means you considers according to the which one is the manifold or the non-manifold models as described by braids, normals, solids, found in nature have the property that at every point on the boundary, a small enough sphere around the point is divided into the two pieces, that is, the one is inside and another is the outside of this object. Basically, the you have to consider according to these spheres, like the every point's boundary is considered. That means you have to given to this the two parts, that like the one is the inside of here, another is the outside of this object is considered. Another things here, the non-manifold models break these rules. An important subclasses of non-manifold models are set objects which are used to represent thin plate objects, and another thing is here that like the integrated surface modeling into a solid modeling environment is considered according to the non-manifold models, and also break these rules is considered is here. That is the with this R represent thin plates will be considered according to this your the object is the non-uniform manifold model breaks this. And the standardization is comes here, that means the in the world of data exchanges, that means the STEP, the standard for the exchange of product model data, that means your the STEP standard for the exchange of product model data also defines some data models for boundary representations is comes, that like your the boundary representations. The common generic topological and geometric models are defined in ISO 103/0342, that is the geometric and topological representations is comes here, that means you are the ISO 103/0342. The following applications integrated resources, that means the AICS, define the boundary models that are constraints of the generic geometric and topological capabilities is comes here, that like your the resource AIC defined boundary models, and this will becomes your the generic geometric and topological capabilities. ISO 103/0335 on topologically bounded surface. This is the comes from your the definitions of an advanced phase, that is bounded surface where the surface is of type elementary, that is caused from your the plane, that means the plane is here and the cylinder plane and also the cylindrical conical is comes here, the spherical or toroidal or a swept surface is comes here, or a B-spline surface, that means is considered according to your the standardizations. The boundaries are defined by lines. Boundaries is defined by lines, conics, polylines, surface curves or B-spline curve is considered according to your the ISO 103/0335 on concentration is here. The ISO 103/03/514 advanced boundary representations a solid at defining a volume with possible voids that is composed by advanced phase. ISO 103/03509 manifold surface a non-intersecting area in 3D that is composed by advanced phase, and ISO 103/03521 manifold surface a sub area out of a manifold surface. ISO 103/03508 non-manifold surface any kind of advanced phase arrangements. ISO 103/03513 elementary boundary representation similar to ISO 103/03514 but restricted to the elementary surfaces only. ISO 512 faced the boundary representations a simplified surface model constructed by planar surface only. The further reading is comes here. The further informations about the boundary representations can be found in a variety of papers and following books is here. The Mental Law Martin 1988 A Introductions to Solid Modeling Computer Science Press ISBN the 088175 to 108 on the another the Stout Ion is 2006 the boundary representation modeling techniques just like the Springer is comes that like is here and the Globan the Nikolai 2014 geometric modelings the mathematics of shapes created space independent publishing platform ISBN that like the given here. Thank you students.